Hello and welcome. Let us discuss 2-3 questions related to fungi that came in recent years in UPSC and is related to the topic species in environment. The first question that came in the year 2022 was certain species of which one of the following organisms are well known as cultivators of fungi? A. Ant, B. Cockroach, C. Crab or D. Spider. Now, as far as cultivation of fungi is concerned, then ant, some species of termites, they basically cultivate fungi in the soil and they form colony. As far as these other species are concerned, then cockroach are known as menace causing insect. That basically thrives in damp environment, damp and humid environment. As far as crabs in India are concerned, then some important crabs like horseshoe crab were in news recently. The highest population of this is found in Odisha. They are part of Schedule 4 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972, that is, hurting this horseshoe crab can cause penalties. As far as some spiders are concerned, then peacock parachute spider is one spider that is critically endangered and is found in eastern Tamil Nadu region, in the forest region. Now, if we see other questions related to fungi, fungi was also in news. This is a recent news article in Indian Express, that is Express View on Fungi, belated recognition. Why this belated recognition? Because till now, mostly we have focused on fauna and flora, whereas the trinity of flora, fauna and fungi trinity is long overdue, because only 10% of the fungi population is known. Fungi species and fungi population is known, and there is a lot of research pending as far as fungi population is concerned. So this article basically focuses on the positive aspects of fungi. As far as some other questions related to fungi, in 2022 this question was there with reference to Gucci, sometimes mentioned in the news. Consider the following statements. Number 1, it is a fungus. Number 2, it grows in some Himalayan forest areas. And number 3, it is commercially cultivated in the Himalayan foothills of northeastern India. Now, Gucci is basically a mushroom, and mushroom also falls under fungi. So, Gucci mushrooms, also known as morel mushrooms, are found in the foothills of Himalayas. And in foothills of Himalayas means they are found in some districts of Jammu and Kashmir, Manali, and some districts of Kangra district as well. So basically in Great Himalayan and Middle Himalayan region, but they are not, and they are found in wild population. They cannot be cultivated. They are found in wild population. So they cannot be commercially cultivated till now. So basically 1 and 2 is correct as far as this question is concerned. It is a fungus. Mushrooms basically falls under fungus, fungi, and it grows in some Himalayan forest area. Also, Jammu and Kashmir has filed for GI tag in Geographical Indicator Registrar Office. They have filed for GI tag of Gucci mushroom. And one product that is famous and having GI tag in Jammu and Kashmir is saffron. Saffron has GI tag as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. So our answer for this question will be C, 1 and 2, because this is found in wild population. These are wild mushrooms. Having some medicinal properties as well. So that's why, and they are rare species and they are expensive as well. Also, there was one question in 2023 related to mushrooms only. Consider the following statements. Some mushrooms have medicinal properties. Some mushrooms have psychoactive properties. Some mushrooms have insecticidal properties. And some mushrooms have bioluminescent properties. Let us see these statements one by one. As far as medicinal properties are considered, then some mushrooms have anti-inflammatory property. Also, they boost immune system, immune boosting property. Some mushrooms that are exposed to sun, they have high amount of vitamin D in them, and they are also used for dietary benefits. So these are the medicinal properties as far as some of the mushrooms are concerned, whereas some mushrooms are toxic as well. That is, they are harmful or fatal as far as human consumption is concerned. Some mushrooms have psychoactive properties. Yes, they are known as magic mushrooms. Magic mushrooms have hallucinogen or hallucinogenic properties. So that's why some mushrooms have psychoactive properties. Some mushrooms have insecticidal properties. This is also true because if insects or some species, animal species consume them, then they can either get ill or get killed. And as far as fourth statement is concerned, some mushrooms have bioluminescent properties. Recently, a news article was there that in Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary, this article was there in September 2023 news. Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary, bioluminescent mushrooms have been discovered. This bioluminescence is basically property of emitting light. And with the help of biochemical reaction between of oxygen and luciferin enzyme, mushrooms can emit light. So Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary was in news where bioluminescent mushrooms were found. So fourth statement is also correct. Hence, all 4 are correct as far as this question is concerned. So these are all the basic questions that were there related to fungi. Thank you.